Okay. Good morning, students. Again, welcome back. We continue the next topic of this chapter, dual nature of radiation and matter. It is the third class. In the last class, we discussed about the experimental arrangement of photoelectric effect. Once again, we discussed about the experimental arrangement of photoelectric effect. Once again, I will redefine the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is a phenomena. Once again, see here, is a phenomena. The phenomena of liberation of electrons. Liberation of electrons when a suitable light of particular frequency. A suitable frequency of light is incident on it. When a suitable frequency of light is incident on it. Now, we discussed the experimental arrangement of photoelectric effect. That photoelectric effect experiment contains a glass tube. There is a cathode. There is an anode. Cathode emits electrons. Anode collects electrons. Now, we discuss the observations of this photoelectric effect. The first observation is, as I indicated here, instantaneous process. Photoelectric effect is instantaneous process. What it means? Means as soon as the radiation is incident on the cathode, the electrons are emitted. Suppose this is a cathode, this is the radiation. See here, this is a cathode, this is the radiation. When the radiation is incident on the cathode, immediately the electrons are emitted. Means the time interval between incidence of radiation, emission of electrons is very short. Andre radiation incident ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಬಹಳ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ನಾಳೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಮಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್, ಕ್ವಿಕ್. So instantaneous process means as soon as the radiation is incident, the electrons are emitted from the cathode. Second one, threshold frequency. What is the threshold frequency in this case? So as I told, for photoelectric emission, the radiation or the light, both are same. Radiation or the light, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. Radiation ಬೇರೆ, light ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. When for photoelectric effect, there is a minimum frequency of radiation needed. For photoelectric effect to occur, the minimum frequency of radiation is required. Below that, there is no photoelectric effect. That minimum frequency is called threshold frequency. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1000 Hz. 1000 Hz is threshold frequency ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? 1000 Hz ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಫೋಟೋಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1000ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದರೆ 900 ಆದರೆ 900 Hz ಆದರೆ ಫೋಟೋಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1000 ಮೇಲೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. 1000 ಅಬೋವ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಫೋಟೋಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ 1000 ಬಿಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1000 ಏನು? ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್. ಆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ರೀ? ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಶೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ? ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್, below which there is no photoelectric effect. The minimum frequency of the incident radiation, the minimum frequency ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗಾದರೆ no photoelectric effect. This is called threshold frequency. Once again, the minimum frequency of the incident radiation below which there is no photoelectric effect. This minimum frequency is called threshold frequency. Third observation. As we know that in photoelectric effect, electrons are emitted. That electrons are named as photoelectrons. are photoelectrons. That photoelectrons produces photoelectric current. It means in photoelectric effect, the current is produced. That current is called photoelectric current. This photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of radiation. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್. ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಟಾನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್, ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್. ಈಚ್ photon is having energy. If its energy is more, its frequency is more. It's the difference. Radiation has got two properties, intensity and frequency ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. Radiation intensity means number of photons. Frequency means energy. More frequency, more energy. More number of photons, more intensity. So the word here, photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of radiation. Artha ishte, if the intensity of radiation increases, the photoelectric current also increases. That means if you want to change the photoelectric current, you should not change the frequency of radiation. You should change the intensity of radiation. But the key point is that the frequency should be above the threshold frequency. Then only photoelectric effect starts. Below threshold frequency, no photoelectric effect. So we should maintain threshold frequency and above threshold frequency for photoelectric effect. Keep this in mind. Photoelectric effect should occur, we should keep the frequency of radiation above threshold frequency. Third point, photoelectric current is directly proportional to intensity of radiation. Means if you increase the intensity of radiation, automatically photoelectric current also increases. Andre intensity of radiation ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Photons intensity population ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು, photons number ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು. Then fourth one, photoelectric effect occurs even if the intensity of radiation is low. ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? Photoelectric effect will occur even if the intensity of radiation is low. Photoelectric effect ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Threshold frequency ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Threshold frequency and above threshold frequency is needed. Sir, I have got one radiation which has frequency above threshold but intensity is low. Can photoelectric effect occur? Yes, definitely. The radiation should be having frequency above threshold frequency, that is needed, but the intensity is low. Even the intensity of radiation is low, intensity of light, we can call radiation or light, intensity of radiation is low, still we are having photoelectric effect, because photoelectric effect occur needs frequency should be above the threshold frequency. Next point, I got it. I think you got it. This fourth point, photoelectric effect occurs even if the intensity of radiation is low. Means intensity of radiation low, high doesn't matter. Photoelectric effect matters only the frequency should be greater than the threshold frequency. Then kinetic energy is fifth point, fifth observation. Kinetic energy is independent of intensity of radiation. What it means? Means when the electrons are emitted from the metal, the electrons have got energy. That energy is called kinetic energy. First we understand kinetic energy. Which kinetic energy it is? ಯಾವ kinetic energy? ಯಾರ್ದು kinetic energy? ನಮ್ದಾ ನಿಮ್ದಾ? ನಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ದು? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು. ಯಾವ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸು? ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೈಟ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ. ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ, ಲೈಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು? ದಟ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ frequency above threshold value, threshold frequency.